Welcome back to the channel, and today we are continuing our career mode in NASCAR 06 Total Team Control. We will be racing in the truck series today at Kansas Speedway. Let's get started.
EA Sports welcomes you to the Kansas Speedway and today's running of the O'Reilly Auto Parts 250 for the NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series. We expect these drivers to put on quite a show for us today as they prepare to take on this mile-and-a-half track. All of today's up-and-coming drivers are looking to make their mark at this new track. The start of the action here from Kansas Speedway is just minutes away.
Okay, so you may have seen on the scroll bar on top, starting P2, so I had a good qualifying session. Truck was really good. Hopefully it stays that way for the race, but we know how that's been going. Well, last couple of videos it's actually been pretty good, but before that, the truck would actually stink in the race. So hopefully our luck continues, and we have a good race. Let's get started.
Okay, this is it. Everybody, go, go, go! The 120 car is now low. Number 18 is outside. 3-1. Up to third, buddy. Clear on either side.
So a slow restart as usual for us. Never fire off well. And a bad 3 and 4. I can't get off the wall. There we go.
3-1.
I think 3 and 4 is my fault. I just don't think I let off the gas there. I started talking and got distracted.
The 117 car is passing high. Number 164 is outside. Just got your eye box, no seconds. You gained another position with that pass. You got both sides, all clear. One inside.
Inside, try to get it inside this truck. This orange truck here, whoever that is. That didn't work.
That's the way to do it. Whatever you need to clear.
Someone got into the wall there. I don't think it hurt them too much.
One's up high. Still alongside you.
Was I going to run out of caution? I don't think so. Okay, that was a complete accident. Wasn't trying to do that. I think they know that. Got Bobby Hamilton in front of us.
Time to make our move.
Our next target.
Up on you by just over a second.
Brushed the ball a little. Didn't hurt too much. Actually, didn't hurt at all. Got tight behind Bobby there.
Hamilton's outside.
I think we'll beat this pass coming out of 4. Going for Trotto.
Number 04 is going to run high side. We should last second and a half ahead.
Alright, making up decent ground after my mistake on the first lap.
Hamilton down low.
Actually, didn't feel like it hurt.
We're going. Keep still
It
there.
feels slow. I don't think the gap changed too much. Little door bang in there. It's okay. Don't mind.
Hang it up. He'll come back to us. Don't worry about it. Still alongside.
We should complete this pass
Clear,
here.
clear. All clear.
Trying to build a little tight.
Inside. Clear on both sides.
But it may just be the lane I'm running.
Take down that lead turn. You only got about 2 seconds on you.
Got really
Careful
loose
out
there.
there.
That'd be Palladium bang.
Clear,
Or
clear.
banking. Or apron rather.
Car on.
You know I'm making mistakes.
Clear, all clear.
Especially in 3 and 4, I feel like it's where I'm making the most mistakes. Doesn't seem like they're getting too far away. So it's either a sign of a really fast truck or something else. I'm not sure. If I can just clean it up a bit, I think I can make some headway. That was a better 3 and 4 right there.
Here's running about 2.5 seconds.
Part of my problem is I'm too impatient. Just want to make the passes. We're making ground up, even though it don't seem like it. I heard a truck stood out from underneath me there. That might just be a sign of tire wear.
Just 2 seconds back now. 2 seconds.
And tight, been in the one. Trioval, wherever that was. I think we're gonna get this one here. Oh, he's gonna throw a block. He's an ally
We're
too.
going to about halfway up the hill. Keep up the good work.
I wasn't ready for a block there. I thought we were just gonna drive by him. But he had other plans. Blocking hard. Oh, that. I'm pretty sure I got really arrow tight there. I can't get off the wall. So I didn't do anything different that time, I don't think. Except for being closer to the truck in front of me. So I think I just got arrow. No, I just got loose.
Number 9 is moving up on you quick. Keep it together. You're doing fine.
Doored me.
Still hanging on. 4.5, 4.5 seconds behind the leader. Still there. We're off the pace. Everything okay?
Yeah, we're definitely off the pace.
Okay, we're clear.
I'm getting really loose towards the end of this run. Arrow tight behind other trucks. I don't think there's an adjustment for that. Not at least on pit road, there's not. The blocking is really aggressive in this on this race. Everyone's blocking.
The 133 car is passing low. Number 133 is inside. Still there.
Oh.
Mark, just about 5 seconds ahead. Clear.
enough to bring out a caution. Might lose a spot or two.
Down the spot.
I don't know whose fault that was. That happened quick. Man. I feel like the handling's starting to go away. I've had this issue before. Blocking really aggressive.
Going outside.
You know, when I started playing this game, one of the things that did impress me is how well the AI is. I was actually kind of surprised by that.
Still beside you.
And it makes me wonder,
Good pass. Car a little loose.
oh man,
Left
little,
circuit inside.
way loose. But get back to what I was saying.
It
makes me wonder how these newer NASCAR games, the AI just sucks.
Stay high. You got the traffic merging
Like
up
they're
ahead.
just dumb. At least it appears in this one they really try to block it. They run different lanes if they can.
The 164 car
Do
is
try,
gaining on you.
seems.
Gas tank getting in.
I see that. Yeah, I am really starting to get super loose.
There you go. All clear.
I think I'm gonna run one more lap. Seeing how we haven't had any tire wear, we may just do that 2-tire stop.
Fight for your tires. Wear
Okay,
it
now
down.
we're starting to get 2-tire wear.
What's going on?
Really loose.
We got some work left. You're at
Gotta
about
take some
9
wedge
seconds
out.
out. Still alongside you. Still there.
This pit road's really tough. I found that out in practice.
Hey, great pass.
Really tough to get on this
All
pit
clear.
road. So I am going to pit this lap. So I can't handle this now.
Number 164 is up. The 133 car is making a move. Coming up on the right. Clear all around.
Get our speed down. I don't know.
He had a good run on you. Don't worry. We'll see him
So we're
again.
going to do 2 tires, time repair garbage fill tank, and take the wedge out.
Which way to go?
We'll stick with that. Hopefully that works out in our favor. Maybe we'll gain a spot or 2.
Adding fuel.
Just waiting on fuel and go.
Wait to merge. There's some faster cars coming up on you. Car a little loose. Go outside. Nice and easy, buddy. Nice and
I guess that's my fault. I came up in front of him, right?
clear on either side. Go to the pit.
Well, they hurt me too much, damage-wise. Hopefully this 2-tire stop will help us leapfrog some people. Hopefully. Well, looks like there's a problem on the apron there. Looks like someone may have blown up or something. Lost a tire. Right there. Don't know who that is. I'm actually a little surprised that that tire wore out as quickly as it did. That might become a problem. This 2-tire stop may have not have worked.
That's the position. Good job.
I think we were 12th when we went in the pits.
Leader's interval is about 9 seconds. Take care of your car and we won't get him. Great
13th.
pass.
Oh yeah, that's right. Some people pitted before that too. so I won't leapfrog them. They should leapfrog me. But I think overall, it's a net gain. Well, I think we were running 19th when they first started. So, a net gain of 6 spots. We could actually use a caution. Launch us back up. I don't think I'm going to be able to catch him. If we get a caution, that'll help. So let's just hope for a caution. So I think if I can get Bunch back up, I can actually do some damage. But this may stay green the whole way. Super loose. Oh my god. Oh my god.
We'll get that one back.
I am super loose. That was, I'm really loose. Oh my god. Oh boy, I've got a problem. We've got problems. I'm really loose. I don't know. I could pit, but I lose all that track position.
3 wide, 3 wide. 3 wide.
I gotta really get out of the gas.
1 wide.
Really loosen the try over there. Just the finish line. Oh, this is gonna stink. This is gonna be a long 12 laps. Literally sideways. So I think it's safe to say that that 2-tire stop did not work out in their favor in the long run. So the handling just went away. This truck is so loose. It's like on an ice rink. That's how loose it is. Get behind these trucks, the aero tightness helps.
Okay, buddy, 10 laps to go. Keep an eye on that left front tire. Number 64 is the one that hit you.
Yeah, that would be my teammate.
Still there. Don't worry about that
Didn't
one.
want to do that.
Got both sides, you're all clear.
Trying to make it back up. I want to try and run this out. Man, I don't know if I can. This is bad.
No, watch it.
Oh man.
Big safe that time, the 107 car. Roger, yellow.
There's the caution. Lock it down. We're pitting. We'll put 4 fresh tires on and hope for the best. God, that was... Those last 3 laps, I'm barely hanging on until I wreck right here. That was bad. That 2-tire stop did not work out. That didn't work out. Alright, we'll pit. We'll be right back. Alright. So hopefully these tires are worth something. Here's tires are worth something. So hopefully they're worth a lot. Seeing how they're about 10 laps fresher than everyone else's. Maybe more than 15 laps. I don't remember what lap we pitted. They're at least 10 laps fresher. So hopefully it's worth something. Right now it appears like it's not, but we're always slow when it starts. Yeah, really tight. Huh? The way this race is going, if you ain't first, you're last. Sort of like the rest of our season. If we weren't first, we've been last. Now I'm really tight. I repaired the damage, so I don't think it's that. I don't know what changed. Maybe the tires just need to get some heat in them. A little slicker.
Okay, buddy. We're about 5 seconds.
I'm hoping we'll grab a few spots here, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Appears our tires are worthless. We might grab this guy. 137. I think we'll get by him.
Let's go. Let's finish strong. Number 137, outside.
Alright, so we got one
Check
spot.
it up. The 137 car has a good run. He's coming hot. Whatever you need, just win.
Oh, really tight coming out of Ford. We'll put the 137 right on our back bumper.
We just put about 5 seconds on you. Last lap. Go outside.
I came up on him, that was my
All
fault.
clear, bud.
Really tight, really
Number
tight.
137, inside side 1.
I guess that wedge adjustment probably hurt us on this run. I should probably put it back to half a round out. Oh well, looks like we're gonna finish P34, so it ain't last, but it's definitely ain't great.
We'll get him next time.
For starting on outside pole,
Next time.
that was bad. That was bad. The big thing was that 2-tire stop. That was a bad call. But we live and learn. So we'll learn from that and move on. Race results, Montgomery comes out with the win. He also led 33 laps, so he's going to get bonus points there. See how our teammates did. Eubanks, pretty good day overall, I guess. Start from P32 and up P19. Goldstein lost a few spots, kind of the nature of his season, but started P24, finished P27. Fisher moved up a few spots, P35 to P30. And then you had us, we started outside pole and up P34. Just bad race. Just bad call there. That 2-tire stop, that wasn't the right call and hurt us big time. Didn't help on lap 1. I got into a wall too and got us back in the traffic. So, oh well. Is what it is. I will see you guys back at the home screen. No phone calls. That's actually a little surprising. I thought we were going to get something out of that. But whatever. Next race will be a wheel and modified race at New Hampshire. That should be a decent race. Next truck race will be at Mr. Clean. I believe that's the one in Hawaii. Which I liked that when we were with the modifieds. So hopefully, trucks just as well. Before we go, let's check the season standings. So Chase Montgomery with a huge lead, 209 points. That's at least a 1-race lead. So I would say at this point he's probably the championship favorite. As far as we go, well, our teammate Wilson Eubanks in 12th, 556 points behind. Then it's us in 29th, 898 points behind. If you didn't see the last video or the video before that, I forget which one it was. New goal is actually top 20, only because we got those 3 wins and it really bumped us up in the standings. I think we can get the P20. That's the new goal. We'll see what happens there. Fisher, P31, 996 points behind. And Goldstein, I think he moved up a spot. I think last race he was P36. Now he's 35th. And he's 1,022 points behind. So moral of this story is pit strategy didn't work out this time in our favor. There's tracks that happens at, but sometimes you gotta try different things, and this time it didn't work out. It's alright. We'll be back next race. Hopefully get back on track. You get another win under our belt. Move on. That is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also, please hit that subscribe button and turn the bell on. Get notifications every time I upload. And let me know in the comment sections what I can be doing better, what you guys would like to see. If you got any suggestions, anything, leave it in the comment section below. I am open to criticism. Only way to get better is criticism, in my opinion. But anywho, have a great day, night, week, whatever it is for you, and I will see you guys very, very soon.